On this TRX450, there's already a couple flaws I see already on this bike. The wires is everywhere. You know, his solenoid look burnt out, look bad. His wire is definitely bad. That's definitely corroded. Yeah, he might need a new battery. He got a Chinese carburetor on there because it don't even have the original name on it. It don't have a name. Okay, another thing I see with this bike is that all his valve clearances is at 0. So they too tight. All his valves is too tight. So he's gonna need a valve, definitely a valve adjustment. One more thing is that his spark plug was not getting no spark at all. So, and he gonna need a new spark plug because his spark plug is definitely fouled out. But yeah, he gonna need a new wire harness, probably a new stator, and the CDI box, because you can see like some wires is cut, and you got some wires that's like burnt up. For the TRX450, we got a new battery, new CDI box, a new starter, new wire harness, a new stator, new spark plug, a new solenoid, carburetor rebuild kit, and the stator cover gasket. Now I'm changing the starter. I'm gonna put that new one on it. Okay, now that we got all the wires and everything situated, the electrical part, now as you can see, the bike got a great spark. Okay, the next thing we're moving on to, since we got the electrical part situated, we're moving on to his valves. Now he gonna need, I'm gonna have to adjust his valves because he don't have no valve clearance at all. Yeah, his valves don't have no clearance. Yeah, so that's the next thing we're gonna do, adjust his valves. Okay, now we got those valves adjusted. Now you see everything slides through smoothly on all valves. Okay, last but not least, this is the new carburetor he had bought with the bike. But as you can see, this is definitely a Chinese carburetor, so he gave me the old carburetor that came with the bike, the original OEM carburetors. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean this carburetor and put a carburetor rebuild kit in it. V-touch.